For those of you that always get false gel, which causes separation under your mold, this video is for you. Watch this video and listen to what I have to say. I've got a lot of complaints that after making a soap and it will be poured into the mold, and when they will mold it, they'll see something like water under. Now, this is why. Did you see how this soap is? It has gelled, but this is a false gel. Can you see? If I scoop it with a spatula, it will drop immediately. Like it will drop immediately. So what do? You cover that soap with anything. Just cover it and allow it to heat up the more. When you heat up the more, you stir it again. You keep doing that until you notice this sign that when you scoop it with the spatula, it will stick. Or you see this crack. You see this crack that I'm showing you? Like the face of the soap will squeeze. Do you understand? The face of the soap will squeeze, and when you scoop it, like turn it with the spatula, it will not drop. It will stick immediately to the spatula or your turning stick. Okay, even this one is partially gelled. Okay, I'll still have to cover it again, allow it to gel the mold, because if I pour it like this into the mold, when I will mold it, I will see something like little water under or in between the soap when I will mold it. Do you understand? So that's how to get your soap to gel properly when you are making semi-hot process. Please, this is for those producing with semi-hot process. Another way again you can know when the soap has completely gelled is when you touch it with your finger, it will solidify immediately, or when you stir it with your spatula or turning stick, then you just look at the turning stick, you will see that some part of it has dried up. Did you see? That is how to know that your soap has completely reached a gel phase. That is when you are making your soap using semi-hot process. Do you see what is happening? The soap has already solidified in my hand. If you like this video or this video is helpful to you, please do like, share to get to those that may be facing this challenge, and also comment. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching and bye. This is JOPHIA DIY.